Welcome. In front of me is Metal Gear Solid Delta Snake Eater, and in this video I will show you how to change brightness in this game. To change brightness, you have to go to options, which you can achieve either by starting the game, or if you are in game already, you just have to press escape and select options, and in options go to graphics, and in graphics you have to find brightness and open this menu, and here adjust the brightness to your needs. And to apply changes, just exit this menu by either pressing escape or right key of your mouse. And that's how you change brightness in this game. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.